Students, today we are discussing about the maths only. Very important of the differentiation and application of derivation. Now is the IP purpose. If x power y is equal to y power x, then show that dy by dx is equal to y into x log y minus y, x into y log x minus x. Is the proof that x power y is equal to y power x derivation is. Now solution: x power y is equal to y power x is the power of applying log on both sides. X power y power x. In this formation, you have to apply the log on both sides. Log x power y is equal to log of y power x. The power is in front of log. Y log x is equal to x log y. Now derivation on both sides with respect to the x on both sides. Now y log x dash means derivation, x log y dash means derivation. Both side derivation on both sides. UV method, u into v dash plus v into u dash, y into log x derivation plus log x into d, y derivation is dy by dx is equal to x into log y derivation plus log y into x derivation is applying a UV method on both sides. Y into log x derivation is 1 by x plus log x into y derivation dy by dx is equal to x into log y derivation 1 by y derivation is dy by dx plus log y, x derivation is 1. Now y by x plus log x into dy by dx is equal to x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Is the dy by dx on one side and plain values are one side. Log x dy by dx minus x by y dy by dx. Inside is the minus, y by x outside is the minus y by x. Log y minus y by x. Dy by dx is common. Log x minus x by y is equal to x log y. LCM of the numerator is x. LCM x. X log y minus y by x. Now dy by dx is equal to log y is the LCM. Y log x minus x by y is equal to x log y minus y by x. The dy by dx is equal to, in the outside, y is the numerator, is the multiplied with numerator, y into x log y minus y. Y log x minus x is the go to denominator, x into y log x minus x. Dy by dx is equal to y x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. Show that is the hence proof. Now application of derivation is a 7 marks problem, very important. At any point on the curve, x is equal to a into t plus sin t, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Find the length of the tangents and normals. Length of the tangent and length of the normal. Here, solution: x is equal to a into t plus sin t, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Now length of the tangent formula: y into root of 1 plus m square by m. M means dy by dx. The slope of the tangent m is equal to dy by dx. Length of the normal: mod of y into root of 1 plus m square is the mod, is the length of the normal. Now is the defined dy by dx. X is equal to a into t plus sin t. Derivation with respect to t on both sides. Dx by dt is equal to a into t derivation is 1 plus sin t derivation is cos t, 1 plus cos t. Dx by dt is equal to a into 1 plus cos t is the right hand, 2 cos square t by 2. 1 plus cos t is the formula, 2 cos square t by 2. Dx by dt is equal to 2a cos square t by 2. Now y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Derivation with respect to t on both sides. Dy by dt is equal to a into constant derivation 0. Cos t derivation minus t, minus into minus plus sin t, minus of cos t derivation minus plus sin t. Dy by dt is equal to a into sin t, write down 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Now is the find dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2. dx by dt 2a cos square t by 2. 2a is cancelled, cos square t, cos t by 2, cos t by 2, 1 cos t by t is cancelled. M is the slope of the tangent at the point P of t is m is equal to dy by dx is equal sin t by 2 by cos t by 2 is equal tan t by 2. Now length of the tangents mod of y into root of 1 plus m square by mod m is the y is equal to a 1 minus cos t. 1 minus cos t, how write to a into 2 sin square t by 2. 2 sin square t by 2 is the y 2 sin square t by 2 into root of 1 plus m is the tan square t by 2 by tan t by 2. 2a into sin square t by 2 into 1 plus tan square t by 2 under root is the secant square t by 2, root cancel is secant t by 2 into tan t by 2 in front cot t by 2, cot t by 2 write down cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. 1 sin t by 2 is the cancel. Secant t by 2 cos t by 2 is the cancel is 1. 2a mod 2a into sin t by 2 is the length of the tangents. Length of the normal mod of y into root 1 plus m square is a 2a into sin square t by 2 into root of 1 plus tan square t by 2. 1 plus tan square t by 2 is the secant t by 2. 2a sin square t by 2 into secant t by 2 is the length of the normal. You have to simplify to mod 2a into sin by cos is the tan t by 2 into sin t by 2. Okay guys, very important 7 marks.